In this video, we are going to see how we can record a simple sale invoice of the finished goods. As we can see here on 25th of January, it says sold shirts to Mr. James Carter. This is a new customer and we are selling them on credit. So these are the units of shirts that we want to sell. So now that we have this in stock, since we have manufactured the shirts and pants, we can easily sell them out to the retail customers. So let's see how we can deal with this in Delhi. First of all, if we are in daybook, I'll just hit alternate A just to add the voucher directly from the daybook. And the customer name is Mr. James Carter, but first of all, we need to switch to sales voucher. On our right, we have the option, switch to sales voucher. Party name, I'll just create new, alternate C. I'll just write here James Carter. And it goes under sundry debtors, but since I have changed the name of sundry debtors to account receivable, I'll choose this one. And maintain bill by bill balances, yes, I want to do that. And press Ctrl A to save. It will immediately open the sales invoice and ask further details for it. Let's say that you have delivery note and all details, you can mention it right here, but otherwise just hit enter and enter to skip through all of these details. I'll just quickly skip through it. And the sales ledger, I'll select sales, and the item name that we are selling is shirts. So I'll just write here shirts. As we can see, we have the quantity in stock right now. So click enter. So hit enter. Not applicable, tracking number is not applicable, order number is not applicable. And we are just making the direct sale. 500 is the unit quantity. Rate is 400. This makes the total to 200,000. End of list. Once we are back in here, just enter, enter, enter. And if it asks you for the reference, since this is a direct sale, this is a new reference. We can mention any invoice number because it's not mentioned in the project. So just for the sake of example, we'll take any example of invoice number. I'll just copy and paste the narration right here. And just make sure the date is set to 31st because we prefer to keep all the dates on 31st. So Ctrl A, and this is how we can enter the direct sale in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.